back to my channel. So today I am going to do a haul. It's a little bit of a mix of I got some clothes, I got one pair of shoes and some makeup, and all the makeup is either from Walmart or from Ulta. So if you guys want to see what I got in my haul, then just keep watching. Okay, let's start with the makeup because that's what we're all here for, or at least that's what I would be looking for. Okay, first things first is this new sponge that I got from Walmart. It's just the Equate brand. It's just their classic blending sponge. I did use this in an upcoming video, so you'll get to see my thoughts on it. But it was only like $1. I also have a Real Techniques mini medium sculpting brush for contouring on the go. So I actually got this little mini size one and this expert face brush. Yeah, expert face brush. And this is actually a full size head. So this one right here is like a medium one, they said, or that's what it says on the packaging. I did try this one out, still haven't tried this one, so I will keep you guys updated. I got an eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. This is their Reloaded palette. I chose this one because it's what I'm wearing on my eyes today. And I got it because of the purples. I don't have anything like this in my collection. I have like the browns and, you know, the neutral shades, but I don't have any purples. I have a lot of like gold and pink, but no purples. So I will also be using this in a new video, so you'll get to see how they perform. And I got two foundations. The one that I'm wearing today is the LA Girl Pro Matte HD Longwear Matte Foundation. And I got mine in medium beige. So I wanted to try this out because I saw really good reviews, and it was only like $6 at Ulta. So stay tuned for that. And I also got the new, oops, kind of reflective, but also got the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. It just looks like that. Really pretty bottle. It's good. Ooh, excuse me. It's glass. Yeah. So I'm excited to try this. I'm going to dedicate an entire video to this so we could do a wear test, and I can check in with you guys throughout the day so you can see how it wears on my dry skin. So, and I got mine in the shade 315N. And the claims of this is just that it is a medium coverage foundation with a luminous natural finish. So I'm really excited to try this. And yeah, it'll be my first foundation that I've tried from Anastasia. So I did get a new setting powder. This is from CoverGirl. This is their True Blend Minerals Loose Mineral Powder. I got mine in the shade 200 Light. If you guys can see, it's not really light at all, so that's why I went with the light, because they did have two lighter shades than this and two deeper shades. So this was right in the middle, and the medium, even though I am tan right now, the medium looked way too dark. So I was like, okay, let me try the light, because in most setting powders or loose powders, I usually get like a light medium or a light because I use it to set underneath my eyes. So one of the things that I was most excited to get was this LA Girl blush palette and Blushed Babe. This looks like this, and it has a cute little mirror inside and a bronzer and 3 blushes. So I am wearing them today, of course. But yeah, I was really excited to try this. Like I said, I got a lot of these products based off of like people I watch. So either from Emily Noel or Juicy Jazz or Jam Beauty here on YouTube. I see them use these products, and so I really wanted to give them a try. And I did get, CoverGirl also has a new like liquid shimmer, or what's it called? Liquid glitter eyeshadow. And it's just like this, and it's the shade Exhibitionist, and they had like 3 other shades, but this is like right up my alley. Really bronzy. It kind of is leaning more on the pink side, but I obviously haven't taken it out, so I haven't played with it yet. From Maybelline, I got their Master Chrome Jelly Highlighter in 20 Metallic Rose. Tried this out today. It was pretty interesting. I've never tried any kind of jelly makeup at all, so that was interesting. I can't wait to play with this some more though, because I can just already know how I'm gonna use it the next time. And highlighter, I got this Flower Beauty palette. And it came with this little brush, but I took it out because, like, what do people use it? Oh, I guess you could use it for highlight. Duh, that's what it came for. Anyways, but yeah, it just has 3 shades. Like I said, I've seen really good reviews. Everybody says that they love this palette on YouTube, so I had to try it out. I love Flower Beauty's Blush Balm. That I think I use that. Yeah, I use that in my back to school makeup tutorial. So yeah, I was really excited to try that because I haven't really tried much from Flower Beauty. So Wet n Wild. Okay, let me tell you how upset I was. So at my Walmart, they had the whole like horoscope, or like, I don't even know, what is it called? Like, what's your sign? Anyways, but they had the whole range of like all the different signs except mine. Mine was out. I'm a Gemini. So, and it's really pretty. I saw it online. It's like right up my alley. It's like a golden like sheer color. But since they didn't have it, I did want to try one. So I got this the Pisces one, and it's more like of a pinky purpley color. But I'm assuming that they're really sheer, so we'll see. Yeah, I was really upset about that. I'm like, what the fuck, bro? Like, come on. Okay, so I got this powder foundation. It's from JCat. It's their Aquassurance foundation. And again, this is highly raved about on YouTube. Highly raved about. So I'm excited to try this. And I've heard people say that it's best to use it with a sponge, so I'm going to be trying this in a new video as well. But yeah, so it's like the Taylor or something like that. Her name's Taylor. I don't know how to pronounce her channel name. But this is her like go-to foundation that she uses, and she has super dry skin too. So when I saw that, I was like, maybe it could be like a little bit better version of this Maybelline Better Skin, because I think this has more coverage. So we'll see. Maybe they could be dupes. I don't know. And not last, but when I ordered the Anastasia foundation, it came with a little trial size eyeshadow primer. So I did try this out today. Have to keep trying it. I'm not too like savvy on the eyeshadow primers because I always use concealer. So I have to keep playing with this. I don't know. Like, does it really work? And last but not least, I got the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Face Mist. And I tried it. It has a pretty nice spray. See? It's like, I look like I was scared. Anyways, but like in the upcoming video of me trying some of these products, I didn't try all of them, but some of them, I tried this, and like I mentioned in there, I rather just the photo focus. And like I said in that video, I just much rather the Photo Focus spray, just because I see more of a difference. And you can use this before makeup. Like, this didn't really have any claims or anything. And I didn't look them up, but I don't know. I just felt like this was like $1 more and you're getting a little bit more than half of an ounce. So I don't know. I didn't really see, like, it wasn't like, oh my gosh, like this is so good. Like when I tried this for the first time, I knew that I liked it. So, and I didn't really get that same thing with this new one, but it's not bad. It's just like, meh. So these are some of the clothes that I just got at Ross, and yeah, that's it. I only went to Ross. I was originally looking for a suitcase because I needed a new suitcase, but ended up leaving with these goodies that I found on clearance. So it was amazing. So the first thing is this shirt that I'm wearing. It's just a little tank and it has Los Angeles. Okay, but on the back it says happiness comes in waves. So it's just a little tank top, and it was like $2. It was like, or it was $2.99, so $3. And I got these to go to Florida, and by the time you guys see this, I'll already be in Florida to surprise my mommy. But I just got this little tank here, just really simple, and like I said, everything that I got was on clearance. That's $2.99, because I live in Oregon, if you didn't know, so like stuff like this, I don't have a lot of them. That's why I bought some, because it's always cold. So yeah, and I'm not gonna spend $15 for something I could wear like once. And then I got this one here, and it says Los Angeles, and then it has like, I'm assuming like the coordinates of Los Angeles, I don't know, but it's just a little black tank. And then this one was $3.49, so that's cute. And I also got this was my favorite. This one was $1.49, and it's so cute. If you saw my Instagram post, I was wearing this, and it's like the perfect material. It's super cute, and it's simple, but it's like it has a little piece to it, you know, where it's not just a plain tank like the other ones, because this is open in the chest right here, and then the back is fully open. But yeah, I thought it was really cute, and I was like, for $1.49, like, you think I'm passing that up? No. And last but not least, I got these shorts. So they're kind of like boy shorts, but yeah, I wanted something like, not booty shorts because I have plenty of those, but I wanted something just like a little bit different. I really think that this would be cute with one of the tanks that I bought and just a pair of sandals and call it a day, because I'm assuming that Florida is going to be hot as fuck. So yes, I got a new pair of shorts, and these were $10. So yeah, I don't own mini shorts either because we live in a cold climate. So, and I did get a new bathing suit. This is from Breezy Swim, or Breezy Swimwear. So it came with like a little headband to match, which I thought, I don't know, we'll see. And the top looks like this. So it's ones that like tie in the front. And yeah, it's just really simple. I didn't have like, all the bathing suits that I have are, I don't know, kind of boring, like they're all black. So I wanted something different. And then these are the bottoms. I'm assuming that they're really cheeky. But yeah, and then they just tie right here. And this was, I think it was like 20 bucks or something like that. But yeah, so I got a new bathing suit because we're going to be swimming a lot. And the last thing, oh yeah, I forgot that I also got this bra at Ross. It was like $12.99. It's a Tommy Hilfiger one. But yeah, it's really cute, and it actually has the like clamp in the back, so you can make it like a cross back bra, which I personally love. That's like my favorite bra to wear. And anything that I can find in a 34A, I'm buying, because it's like impossible. And last but not least, I have these shoes. I have these shoes here. They're just Michael Kors shoes. I think I paid 25 bucks for these, and they're just little slip-ons, and I have a small foot, so mine are in a size 6. But they were really cute. They actually run big. Like I tried on like a 6.5 or a 7, and they were too big. My normal like universal size is 6.5, so I had to go a half size down. So if you do see these, just make sure you try them on, because I'm one of those people that I usually just like, oh, I know my size, and I don't try it on, and then they end up being too big. But luckily I did try them on because I wanted to see how they looked, to see if they looked kind of like cheap, because even though they are Michael Kors, like it's at Ross, so something is wrong with them. I don't know what. Like I was like looking on this little thing here and making sure that Michael wasn't spelled wrong or something. So yeah, I don't know, but I thought it was a good investment. It'd be cute with just like that white tank and those shorts, just something really simple and nothing that I have to fuss with, and you know, it doesn't have to necessarily be sandals. So I really liked these. Like I said, I did film a new video trying some of the makeup products, so you guys could see how they perform and my thoughts on them. And that's the look that I'm wearing today. And then all of those clothes that I bought they are for my trip that I will be going on next week. And like I said, you guys will be seeing this video when I'm already there. So I'm pre-filming so I don't miss out. I'm really trying to stay consistent and keep these videos going, because I notice like once I miss a day, then it's like a chain reaction. Like I can't seem to get away from it and it takes me forever. But I feel like that's kind of like with anything in life. If you kind of put a hold to something, then you get out of your rhythm and it's harder to get back to it. So it's just better to stay consistent and to keep on trying, because I really do love doing this, and I hope you guys enjoy me doing this and enjoy the videos and the content that I'm putting out there. And if you have any suggestions, or if you think that there's anything that you want to see that you think I should film, then just let me know in the comments, or you can follow me on Instagram where I post my polls and let you guys vote on what you want to see next from me. So, but I just want to thank you guys tremendously for all the love and support. It means the world to me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you guys try any of these makeup products. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye.